Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search for flights on the FlyDelta application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on the book button down below, which is the third option. Then select the type of trip, such as round trip, one way or multi-city. Then you should select your departure point and then your destination. And after that, select the departure point and the or departure date and return date. Then click on the check mark icon down below, select the number of passengers and you can show price in money or miles. Here you can set the class, basic economy, main cabin, Delta Comfort, first class, premium, select or Delta One, and then you should tap on the find flights button down below, and here you will be able to browse among the available flights. So here you can find them. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.